Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's what goes in what compartment in your Bosch dispensing drawer. Now I don't know about you, I can never remember what goes in what compartment. So I'm just going to show you quickly where the washing liquid goes and where the conditioner goes. Let's just open the Bosch detergent drawer first, gently pull it out. And I'm just about to do a wash, and here is my washing liquid and my fabric softener. Now if your Bosch dispensing drawer is nice and clean, you should notice these symbols at the bottom. Now this compartment here with the two lines is your detergent for the main wash, or any water softener or bleach or stain remover. And this compartment with the flower symbol is for your fabric softener or liquid starch. And this compartment with the one line in it, this is where you put any detergent in for any pre-wash if you've got really dirty clothes. And there's a link above now about how to clean the pump filter on this Bosch washing machine. Okay, let's get the main detergent and the conditioner in. So first let's put the detergent in, and depending on how big your load is in your washing machine, depends on how much detergent you put in. Generally it's between 50 to 80 millilitres. So that goes in this drawer here. And there's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. Okay, now let's put in the fabric softener into the middle compartment. Now I've got lots of smelly clothes because I've been doing lots of work on the motor. So I'm going to fill this up to the max. Then we can close the dispensing drawer. And I'm just going to put it on a mixed load and then change the temperature to 40 degrees just to make it a little bit hotter. And then I'm going to start the wash. And if you want to activate the child lock on this washing machine, there's a link above now about how to do that. It's definitely worth doing that, even if you haven't got children, just to stop anyone leaning up against the buttons and disturbing the wash. And I'll tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.